It was so exhilarating to meet the rest of the cohort and so inspirational. Everyone has been so collaborative and supportive and encouraging. And just being around people who are similarly situated to you and some who are farther along and some who are a little before you, we're all helping each other.
We are a stage agnostic program. We want to have companies at different stages, and that's attractive to the institutions because institutions, some of them want to get more access to more mature companies, others want to get access to early stage companies. The mix is important to us.
Day one, giving like a broad understanding of, the probably like 6 or 7 different frameworks that you need to think about and breaking them down and having some time with, the experts to talk about it. And then having day 2 where you can then dive in and actually get really personal, information and feedback on your business and sit there and go through different questions and be, again, very targeted about your business. That's really what I describe as invaluable.
Because there's a higher percentage of companies that have already raised at least a save for a convertible note, so they're looking at their first priced round, or there's a lot of companies here, many more than in prior years, that have already raised a priced round, have already done a preferred stock offering, and they're looking at their Series B. So a lot of sophistication. There's still companies, and I really like speaking to them, that are looking to raise their first financing. That can be a really exciting time.
Entrepreneurs really are heroic in their approach. It's exciting to meet so many of them here, but lawyers are going to be critical at every stage of your company, whether it's from incorporation to financing to ultimately, M&A transactions, IPO and onwards. So having great lawyers day one is absolutely critical to set the foundations of your business, and that's why we're excited to be a part of FinAccelerate.
What benefited our company the most is the ability to really understand the Silicon Valley current trend and opportunities. Regarding new innovative product that we're trying to launch, and to understand the legal compliance or the legal complications around it, but also the current VC's trend.
A lot of people don't understand that they should be thinking about, right? And then when we're interacting with companies, we would have loved them to have come to FinAccelerate because they would be a lot more prepared for what we see as standard questions, but are often not discussed and wouldn't be common knowledge for somebody that hasn't founded a company before.
Also, the technology coming out is from more mature companies. So a lot of them want to actually demonstrate their technology. So we've had to cater for that this year and provide a dedicated technology demonstration area.
Regulation always trails innovation. So ensuring that we are not only compliant with the regulatory framework that has been set out for our digital assets today, but also continue to monitor the regulatory landscape so we can be first movers, where our clients aren't coming in and telling us something, but rather we already see what's coming on the horizon, and ensuring that Jones Day has our back when we're going out and putting our solution out there and ensuring that our solution is compliant. It really helps me sleep at night.
Folks are just feeling comfortable. You can see that in the hallways. Everybody's connecting and enjoying what is a very pleasant experience, making friendships and forming bonds. So there's a really sort of a trusted environment here as well that is helpful for the cohort, and it's helpful for everybody else who's supporting the cohort.
I've met several people here who have extended their help to me, as well as given me advice on things that they've already experienced. And just a smile. I mean, while I was presenting, I was so happy to see a smiling face from one of my cohorts while I was presenting because my knees were knocking, so it was helpful.
The change that I've seen over the last couple of years as I've reviewed the applicant pool it just seems to be growing year after year.
It's a really unique opportunity to meet with industry representatives who know your business, who can provide real advice, practical advice to you. Folks who really are thinking about this stuff daily and really are here to help you grow and succeed.